The numbers of coronavirus cases are increasing dramatically around the world. Currently, it has spread to every country on this planet, with almost reaching 4.5 million confirmed cases and about 300,000 people known to have died because of this virus. The whole world is in panic and lockdown to control the spread of this virus, which seems to be impossible. In late Feb, South Korea was reporting a very sharp increase in coronavirus cases. At one point, they had some of the highest numbers of confirmed cases in the world. But then something happened and the numbers started leveling off in Korea. While in other countries, the numbers of the new cases are still continuing to rise. In social media, people are applauding and admiring how South Korea was able to contain the spread of this virus early on. So I booked my ticket and flew to Daegu City, which once had the biggest coronavirus outbreak outside of China. As you can see, everything seems to be under control, and more importantly, this city has 0 new cases. Let's talk to a few people and find out how South Korea was able to operate relatively normally during a pandemic which has the whole world in lockdown. How did you guys manage to control the spread of this virus?
Well, the government response here has been absolutely incredible. Through emergency notifications on our phones from the government, we've been able to know where and what to avoid and not have to go through any lockdowns.
The reason why Korea is doing so well against the coronavirus is because they started developing the tests way before we were in emergency mode.
Right.
And this enabled them to track all the cases and halt the spread of coronavirus more efficiently.
Korea's been taking this seriously from day one. For example, every time we go outside, we see banners reminding us to stay 6 feet apart. We also get text messages reminding us who to call in case we show symptoms. So here is one of the text messages. This one says you can call phone number 1339 if you show symptoms, and they will test you for free without fear of deportation if you have the wrong visa.
One effective way that Korea controlled the spread of this virus was because of this mandatory screening, which applied to everyone who goes to work. We even have this screening at bus stops. Anyone who exceeds the temperature restriction will be asked to go to hospital.
You see, us Koreans, we have gone through a lot of difficulties. We have seen poverty, war, and recession. So our people are very mature and sympathetic. As a country, we have seen it all.
Right.
And we don't want to go through any other hardship. So we took this outbreak very seriously.
Since early February, those who showed any sickness, any signs of sickness whatsoever, were encouraged to go get a free checkup, to get treated, and possibly quarantined to prevent the spread.
Right.
We could do this because we all have access to affordable healthcare.
The main thing that we did was stay home. Basically, we would stay in our homes, we would go to the store for necessities, and we would listen to the emergency alert system that Korea provided, and whatever was said to us is what we did. If we were told, this is what you do,
Yes.
you listen to what the government says, and then you can beat this virus.
Before I finish off my video, I would say South Koreans were aware of this outbreak. They took full responsibility, were willing to stay at home, take protective measures such as washing hands and wearing masks. However, in the majority of the Western world, people are not taking this outbreak seriously regardless of the outcome. People are still not washing hands. People are still not wearing masks. Let's be a bit responsible. Wash your hands, stay clean, stay at home, and save the world.